What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Just had to do a video straight on the broccoli. You guys, you know we harvested our broccoli. How you guys doing? Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day. I love you guys. So, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm going to really make this a short video. You know we cut our broccoli. You know our broccoli got too big. We had to cut it. That broccoli was too big. We had to cut it. That is not my song, y'all, so don't hold me accountable. But you know, we cut our broccoli right there at the stalk, the big one. Now look, we have more growing. The babies have spawned. They have multiplied. Look all around. You cut the big stalk and then you get more. And I've been told to let some of them grow all the way up to seed. Look at this one. We cut the stalk. Remember, we cut the stalk. And there's more broccoli. Now, I put this in the other video, but I just wanted to do just straight broccoli. This is a broccoli video only, because they deserve their props. And this was the broccoli I planted, you guys. From Bonnie. Broccoli Green Magic Hybrid. Here's the other one we cut. And you guys followed me when I cut it. Look at the new babies all over. Same here. Yep. We even have one over here as we walk past our collards, still growing. Georgia collards, still growing. But this is broccoli. We're not going to take that away from you, broccoli. There's one still growing over here, you guys. So, that's all I just wanted to show you. I'm just doing a quick video showing you once you cut the main stalk of the broccoli, more will come. Yep, and you guys remember replanting this. If you look back on my videos, you remember. You remember. Yes, you guys, yes. And this is our outside garden that has experienced snow and everything else. Look at those babies. Wow, you guys, look. Cut one, more will come, like a gray hair, they say. You cut one, more will come. Yes, love you guys, love you guys. You hope, ooh. Oh, I thought I saw another one growing. But I hope you guys are having a growing, and prosperous day. Look, mustard green still coming up. This is supposed to be about broccoli. Let me stop. I love you guys. You're the best. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Peace out. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.